你要吃饭吗？
Are you going to eat? Are you going to eat? Are you going to eat?
我要吃饭。
I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat.
我不吃饭。
I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to eat.
他要吃饭吗？
Is he going to eat? Is he going to eat? Is he going to eat?
他要吃饭。
He's going to eat. He's going to eat. He's going to eat.
他不吃饭。
He's not going to eat. He's not going to eat. He's not going to eat.
你打算吃饭吗？
Were you going to eat? Were you going to eat? Were you going to eat?
我打算吃饭。
I was going to eat. I was going to eat. I was going to eat.
我不打算吃饭。
But I wasn't going to eat. I wasn't going to eat. I wasn't going to eat.
他打算吃饭吗？
Was he going to eat? Was he going to eat? Was he going to eat?
他打算吃饭。
He was going to eat. He was going to eat. He was going to eat.
他不打算吃饭。
He wasn't going to eat. He wasn't going to eat. He wasn't going to eat.
你要上班吗？
Are you going to work? Are you going to work? Are you going to work?
我要上班。
I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
我不上班。
I'm not going to work. I'm not going to work. I'm not going to work.
他要上班吗？
Is he going to work? Is he going to work? Is he going to work?
他要上班。
He's going to work. He's going to work. He's going to work.
他不上班。
He's not going to work. He's not going to work. He's not going to work.
你打算上班吗？
Were you going to work? Were you going to work? Were you going to work?
我打算上班。
I was going to work. I was going to work. I was going to work.
我不打算上班。
I wasn't going to work. I wasn't going to work. I wasn't going to work.
他打算上班吗？
Was he going to work? Was he going to work? Was he going to work?
他打算上班。
He was going to work. He was going to work. He was going to work.
他不打算上班。
He wasn't going to work. He wasn't going to work. He wasn't going to work.
你要看吗？
Are you going to watch? Are you going to watch? Are you going to watch?
我要看。
I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch.
我不看。
I'm not going to watch. I'm not going to watch. I'm not going to watch.
他要看吗？
Is he going to watch? Is he going to watch? Is he going to watch?
他要看。
He's going to watch. He's going to watch. He's going to watch.
他不看。
He's not going to watch. He's not going to watch. He's not going to watch.
你打算看吗？
Were you going to watch? Were you going to watch? Were you going to watch?
我打算看。
I was going to watch. I was going to watch. I was going to watch.
我不打算看。
But I wasn't going to watch. I wasn't going to watch. I wasn't going to watch.
他打算看吗？
Was he going to watch? Was he going to watch? Was he going to watch?
他打算看。
He was going to watch. He was going to watch. He was going to watch.
他不打算看。
He wasn't going to watch. He wasn't going to watch. He wasn't going to watch.
你要玩吗？
Are you going to play? Are you going to play? Are you going to play?
我要玩。
I'm going to play. I'm going to play. I'm going to play.
我不玩。
I'm not going to play. I'm not going to play. I'm not going to play.
他要玩吗？
Is he going to play? Is he going to play? Is he going to play?
他要玩。
He's going to play. He's going to play. He's going to play.
他不玩。
He's not going to play. He's not going to play. He's not going to play.
你打算玩吗？
Were you going to play? Were you going to play? Were you going to play?
我打算玩。
I was going to play. I was going to play. I was going to play.
我不打算玩。
But I wasn't going to play. I wasn't going to play. I wasn't going to play.
他打算玩吗？
Was he going to play? Was he going to play? Was he going to play?
他打算玩。
He was going to play. He was going to play. He was going to play.
他不打算玩。
He wasn't going to play. He wasn't going to play. He wasn't going to play.
你要做饭吗？
Are you going to cook? Are you going to cook? Are you going to cook?
我要做饭。
I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook.
我不做饭。
I'm not going to cook. I'm not going to cook. I'm not going to cook.
他要做饭吗？
Is he going to cook? Is he going to cook? Is he going to cook?
他要做饭。
He's going to cook. He's going to cook. He's going to cook.
他不做饭。
He's not going to cook. He's not going to cook. He's not going to cook.
你打算做饭吗？
Were you going to cook? Were you going to cook? Were you going to cook?
我打算做饭。
I was going to cook. I was going to cook. I was going to cook.
我不打算做饭。
But I wasn't going to cook. I wasn't going to cook. I wasn't going to cook.
他打算做饭吗？
Was he going to cook? Was he going to cook? Was he going to cook?
他打算做饭。
He was going to cook. He was going to cook. He was going to cook.
他不打算做饭。
He wasn't going to cook. He wasn't going to cook. He wasn't going to cook.
你要学习吗？
Are you going to study? Are you going to study? Are you going to study?
我要学习。
I'm going to study. I'm going to study. I'm going to study.
我不学习。
I'm not going to study. I'm not going to study. I'm not going to study.
他要学习吗？
Is he going to study? Is he going to study? Is he going to study?
他要学习。
He's going to study. He's going to study. He's going to study.
他不学习。
He's not going to study. He's not going to study. He's not going to study.
你打算学习吗？
Were you going to study? Were you going to study? Were you going to study?
我打算学习。
I was going to study. I was going to study. I was going to study.
我不打算学习。
I wasn't going to study. I wasn't going to study. I wasn't going to study.
他打算学习吗？
Was he going to study? Was he going to study? Was he going to study?
他打算学习。
He was going to study. He was going to study. He was going to study.
他不打算学习。
He wasn't going to study. He wasn't going to study. He wasn't going to study.
你要锻炼吗？
Are you going to exercise? Are you going to exercise? Are you going to exercise?
我要锻炼。
I'm going to exercise. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to exercise.
我不锻炼。
I'm not going to exercise. I'm not going to exercise. I'm not going to exercise.
他要锻炼吗？
Is he going to exercise? Is he going to exercise? Is he going to exercise?
他要锻炼。
He's going to exercise. He's going to exercise. He's going to exercise.
他不锻炼。
He's not going to exercise. He's not going to exercise. He's not going to exercise.
你打算锻炼吗？
Were you going to exercise? Were you going to exercise? Were you going to exercise?
我打算锻炼。
I was going to exercise. I was going to exercise. I was going to exercise.
我不打算锻炼。
I wasn't going to exercise. I wasn't going to exercise. I wasn't going to exercise.
他打算锻炼吗？
Was he going to exercise? Was he going to exercise? Was he going to exercise?
他打算锻炼。
He was going to exercise. He was going to exercise. He was going to exercise.
他不打算锻炼。
He wasn't going to exercise. He wasn't going to exercise. He wasn't going to exercise.
你要睡觉吗？
Are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep?
我要睡觉。
I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep.
我不睡觉。
I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep.
他要睡觉吗？
Is he going to sleep? Is he going to sleep? Is he going to sleep?
他要睡觉。
He's going to sleep. He's going to sleep. He's going to sleep.
他不睡觉。
He's not going to sleep. He's not going to sleep. He's not going to sleep.
你打算睡觉吗？
Were you going to sleep? Were you going to sleep? Were you going to sleep?
我打算睡觉。
I was going to sleep. I was going to sleep. I was going to sleep.
我不打算睡觉。
I wasn't going to sleep. I wasn't going to sleep. I wasn't going to sleep.
他打算睡觉吗？
Was he going to sleep? Was he going to sleep? Was he going to sleep?
他打算睡觉。
He was going to sleep. He was going to sleep. He was going to sleep.
他不打算睡觉。
He wasn't going to sleep. He wasn't going to sleep. He wasn't going to sleep.
你要开车吗？
Are you going to drive? Are you going to drive? Are you going to drive?
我要开车。
I'm going to drive. I'm going to drive. I'm going to drive.
我不开车。
I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to drive.
他要开车吗？
Is he going to drive? Is he going to drive? Is he going to drive?
他要开车。
He's going to drive. He's going to drive. He's going to drive.
他不开车。
He's not going to drive. He's not going to drive. He's not going to drive.
你打算开车吗？
Were you going to drive? Were you going to drive? Were you going to drive?
我打算开车。
I was going to drive. I was going to drive. I was going to drive.
我不打算开车。
I wasn't going to drive. I wasn't going to drive. I wasn't going to drive.
他打算开车吗？
Was he going to drive? Was he going to drive? Was he going to drive?
他打算开车。
He was going to drive. He was going to drive. He was going to drive.
他不打算开车。
He wasn't going to drive. He wasn't going to drive. He wasn't going to drive.
你要旅行吗？
Are you going to travel? Are you going to travel? Are you going to travel?
我要旅行。
I'm going to travel. I'm going to travel. I'm going to travel.
我不旅行。
I'm not going to travel. I'm not going to travel. I'm not going to travel.
他要旅行吗？
Is he going to travel? Is he going to travel? Is he going to travel?
他要旅行。
He's going to travel. He's going to travel. He's going to travel.
他不旅行。
He's not going to travel. He's not going to travel. He's not going to travel.
你打算旅行吗？
Were you going to travel? Were you going to travel? Were you going to travel?
我打算旅行。
I was going to travel. I was going to travel. I was going to travel.
我不打算旅行。
I wasn't going to travel. I wasn't going to travel. I wasn't going to travel.
他打算旅行吗？
Was he going to travel? Was he going to travel? Was he going to travel?
他打算旅行。
He was going to travel. He was going to travel. He was going to travel.
他不打算旅行。
He wasn't going to travel. He wasn't going to travel. He wasn't going to travel.
你要看书吗？
Are you going to read? Are you going to read? Are you going to read?
我要看书。
I'm going to read. I'm going to read. I'm going to read.
我不看书。
I'm not going to read. I'm not going to read. I'm not going to read.
他要看书吗？
Is he going to read? Is he going to read? Is he going to read?
他要看书。
He's going to read. He's going to read. He's going to read.
他不看书。
He's not going to read. He's not going to read. He's not going to read.
你打算看书吗？
Were you going to read? Were you going to read? Were you going to read?
我打算看书。
I was going to read. I was going to read. I was going to read.
我不打算看书。
I wasn't going to read. I wasn't going to read. I wasn't going to read.
他打算看书吗？
Was he going to read? Was he going to read? Was he going to read?
他打算看书。
He was going to read. He was going to read. He was going to read.
他不打算看书。
He wasn't going to read. He wasn't going to read. He wasn't going to read.
你要购物吗？
Are you going to shop? Are you going to shop? Are you going to shop?
我要购物。
I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop.
我不购物。
I'm not going to shop. I'm not going to shop. I'm not going to shop.
他要购物吗？
Is he going to shop? Is he going to shop? Is he going to shop?
他要购物。
He's going to shop. He's going to shop. He's going to shop.
他不购物。
He's not going to shop. He's not going to shop. He's not going to shop.
你打算购物吗？
Were you going to shop? Were you going to shop? Were you going to shop?
我本来要去购物。
I was going to shop. I was going to shop. I was going to shop.
我本来不打算去购物。
I wasn't going to shop. I wasn't going to shop. I wasn't going to shop.
他要去购物吗？
Was he going to shop? Was he going to shop? Was he going to shop?
他要去购物。
He was going to shop. He was going to shop. He was going to shop.
他不打算去购物。
He wasn't going to shop. He wasn't going to shop. He wasn't going to shop.
你要去打扫吗？
Are you going to clean? Are you going to clean? Are you going to clean?
我要去打扫。
I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean.
我不打算去打扫。
I'm not going to clean. I'm not going to clean. I'm not going to clean.
他要去打扫吗？
Is he going to clean? Is he going to clean? Is he going to clean?
他要去打扫。
He's going to clean. He's going to clean. He's going to clean.
他不打算去打扫。
He's not going to clean. He's not going to clean. He's not going to clean.
你本来要去打扫吗？
Were you going to clean? Were you going to clean? Were you going to clean?
我本来要去打扫。
I was going to clean. I was going to clean. I was going to clean.
我本来不打算去打扫。
I wasn't going to clean. I wasn't going to clean. I wasn't going to clean.
他本来要去打扫吗？
Was he going to clean? Was he going to clean? Was he going to clean?
他本来要去打扫。
He was going to clean. He was going to clean. He was going to clean.
他本来不打算去打扫。
He wasn't going to clean. He wasn't going to clean. He wasn't going to clean.
你要去听吗？
Are you going to listen? Are you going to listen? Are you going to listen?
我要去听。
I'm going to listen. I'm going to listen. I'm going to listen.
我不打算去听。
I'm not going to listen. I'm not going to listen. I'm not going to listen.
他要去听吗？
Is he going to listen? Is he going to listen? Is he going to listen?
他要去听。
He's going to listen. He's going to listen. He's going to listen.
他不打算去听。
He's not going to listen. He's not going to listen. He's not going to listen.
你本来要去听吗？
Were you going to listen? Were you going to listen? Were you going to listen?
我本来要去听。
I was going to listen. I was going to listen. I was going to listen.
我本来不打算去听。
I wasn't going to listen. I wasn't going to listen. I wasn't going to listen.
他本来要去听吗？
Was he going to listen? Was he going to listen? Was he going to listen?
他本来要去听。
He was going to listen. He was going to listen. He was going to listen.
他本来不打算去听。
He wasn't going to listen. He wasn't going to listen. He wasn't going to listen.
你要去聊天吗？
Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk?
我要去聊天。
I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk.
我不打算去聊天。
I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to talk.
他要去聊天吗？
Is he going to talk? Is he going to talk? Is he going to talk?
他要去聊天。
He's going to talk. He's going to talk. He's going to talk.
他不打算去聊天。
He's not going to talk. He's not going to talk. He's not going to talk.
你本来要去聊天吗？
Were you going to talk? Were you going to talk? Were you going to talk?
我本来要去聊天。
I was going to talk. I was going to talk. I was going to talk.
我本来不打算去聊天。
I wasn't going to talk. I wasn't going to talk. I wasn't going to talk.
他本来要去聊天吗？
Was he going to talk? Was he going to talk? Was he going to talk?
他本来要去聊天。
He was going to talk. He was going to talk. He was going to talk.
他本来不打算去聊天。
He wasn't going to talk. He wasn't going to talk. He wasn't going to talk.
你要去游泳吗？
Are you going to swim? Are you going to swim? Are you going to swim?
我要去游泳。
I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim.
我不打算去游泳。
I'm not going to swim. I'm not going to swim. I'm not going to swim.
他要去游泳吗？
Is he going to swim? Is he going to swim? Is he going to swim?
他要去游泳。
He's going to swim. He's going to swim. He's going to swim.
他不打算去游泳。
He's not going to swim. He's not going to swim. He's not going to swim.
你本来要去游泳吗？
Were you going to swim? Were you going to swim? Were you going to swim?
我本来要去游泳。
I was going to swim. I was going to swim. I was going to swim.
我本来不打算去游泳。
I wasn't going to swim. I wasn't going to swim. I wasn't going to swim.
他本来要去游泳吗？
Was he going to swim? Was he going to swim? Was he going to swim?
他本来要去游泳。
He was going to swim. He was going to swim. He was going to swim.
他本来不打算去游泳。
He wasn't going to swim. He wasn't going to swim. He wasn't going to swim.
你要去跳舞吗？
Are you going to dance? Are you going to dance? Are you going to dance?
我要去跳舞。
I'm going to dance. I'm going to dance. I'm going to dance.
我不打算去跳舞。
I'm not going to dance. I'm not going to dance. I'm not going to dance.
他要去跳舞吗？
Is he going to dance? Is he going to dance? Is he going to dance?
他要去跳舞。
He's going to dance. He's going to dance. He's going to dance.
他不打算去跳舞。
He's not going to dance. He's not going to dance. He's not going to dance.
你本来要去跳舞吗？
Were you going to dance? Were you going to dance? Were you going to dance?
我本来要去跳舞。
I was going to dance. I was going to dance. I was going to dance.
我本来不打算去跳舞。
I wasn't going to dance. I wasn't going to dance. I wasn't going to dance.
他要去跳舞吗？
Was he going to dance? Was he going to dance? Was he going to dance?
他要去跳舞。
He was going to dance. He was going to dance. He was going to dance.
他不打算去跳舞。
He wasn't going to dance. He wasn't going to dance. He wasn't going to dance.
你要去跑步吗？
Are you going to run? Are you going to run? Are you going to run?
我要去跑步。
I'm going to run. I'm going to run. I'm going to run.
我不打算去跑步。
I'm not going to run. I'm not going to run. I'm not going to run.
他要去跑步吗？
Is he going to run? Is he going to run? Is he going to run?
他要去跑步。
He's going to run. He's going to run. He's going to run.
他不打算去跑步。
He's not going to run. He's not going to run. He's not going to run.
你本来要去跑步吗？
Were you going to run? Were you going to run? Were you going to run?
我本来要去跑步。
I was going to run. I was going to run. I was going to run.
我本来不打算去跑步。
But I wasn't going to run. I wasn't going to run. I wasn't going to run.
他本来要去跑步吗？
Was he going to run? Was he going to run? Was he going to run?
他本来要去跑步。
He was going to run. He was going to run. He was going to run.
他本来不打算去跑步。
He wasn't going to run. He wasn't going to run. He wasn't going to run.
你要去写作吗？
Are you going to write? Are you going to write? Are you going to write?
我要去写作。
I'm going to write. I'm going to write. I'm going to write.
我不打算去写作。
I'm not going to write. I'm not going to write. I'm not going to write.
他要去写作吗？
Is he going to write? Is he going to write? Is he going to write?
他要去写作。
He's going to write. He's going to write. He's going to write.
他不打算去写作。
He's not going to write. He's not going to write. He's not going to write.
你本来要去写作吗？
Were you going to write? Were you going to write? Were you going to write?
我本来要去写作。
I was going to write. I was going to write. I was going to write.
我本来不打算去写作。
I wasn't going to write. I wasn't going to write. I wasn't going to write.
他本来要去写作吗？
Was he going to write? Was he going to write? Was he going to write?
他本来要去写作。
He was going to write. He was going to write. He was going to write.
他本来不打算去写作。
He wasn't going to write. He wasn't going to write. He wasn't going to write.
你要去唱歌吗？
Are you going to sing? Are you going to sing? Are you going to sing?
我要去唱歌。
I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing.
我不打算去唱歌。
I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to sing.
他要去唱歌吗？
Is he going to sing? Is he going to sing? Is he going to sing?
他要去唱歌。
He's going to sing. He's going to sing. He's going to sing.
他不打算去唱歌。
He's not going to sing. He's not going to sing. He's not going to sing.
你本来要去唱歌吗？
Were you going to sing? Were you going to sing? Were you going to sing?
我本来要去唱歌。
I was going to sing. I was going to sing. I was going to sing.
我本来不打算去唱歌。
But I wasn't going to sing. I wasn't going to sing. I wasn't going to sing.
他本来要去唱歌吗？
Was he going to sing? Was he going to sing? Was he going to sing?
他本来要去唱歌。
He was going to sing. He was going to sing. He was going to sing.
他本来不打算去唱歌。
He wasn't going to sing. He wasn't going to sing. He wasn't going to sing.